Hello, who takes the money when you make a loss trading Forex? Or is there someone that loses money when you actually win or make a profit trading Forex? My name is Isma, as usual, back again from FX Kampala. First things first, in the first place, before you ask yourself, is there any person that takes the money? Is there any person that loses money when you win, when you make profits, and forth? The answer is, all starts right away from the beginning, getting to understand the definition of Forex trading. In the first place, we define Forex as basically buying and selling of currencies. And buying and selling of currencies are due to the factor that there are quite a number of factors that make or bring in the fluctuations into the market. That can be social, political, and economic factors, and also the factors of supply and demand. Now, if these factors are the ones that cause, particularly the market, to gain and lose value, so as the currencies gain value or lose value, eventually we can make money, and there are quite a number of factors. Now, this is what happens when you buy for you to make profits. And when you lose, I'll also explain to you what happens. So, when we are trading Forex, ideally a person should know we trade in currency pairs. Pairs such as Euro USD, GBP USD, NZD USD, and so on and forth. An example is actually this, like we can see, this is Euro USD. Like I told you, we trade in currency pairs. Now, trading in currency pair means that when this particular market, Euro USD, or the particular market of this pair, that is Euro USD, when it goes up, it means that the euro is gaining value and automatically the dollar is losing value. In Forex, we call this a correlation coefficient, that once one currency gains value, another automatically loses value. Now, if this market is coming down, this means that the euro is going to lose value and the quote currency, or the dollar this time around, is going to gain value. Now, when I'm expecting this particular market of Euro USD to gain value, I will then buy. Now, in the instance of buying, this means that I'm expecting this to gain value. That's why I'm buying it. So when I click buy on my chart, whether my trading view or my MT4, I'm clicking buy to buy the entire of this particular pair. So buying this particular pair indirectly means I'm buying the base, which is this case the euro, and selling the quote, which is the dollar. So I'll be selling this. This means that I bought in the first place because I expect the market of this particular pair to gain value. So in the instance, I'm buying the base and selling the quote. Now, in the scenario whereby this particular market goes up as per what I expected, or as per the euro gaining value, then definitely I'll be making profits. Then this means that I'm making profits because this is gaining, this one is losing. But then if I put in my buy order, and unfortunately this order of mine, the market starts to come against me. Now, the reason as to why I'll be making a loss, or the reason as to why you make a loss when you are buying and the market is going against you, means that I'm buying something that is losing value. Yet you can't make money when you buy something that is losing value. Now, I'm buying something that is losing value because my intention was for it to gain value, but unfortunately it loses value. So it losing value, I'll be buying it and then selling something that is gaining value. Definitely, if I came today and I asked you, if you bought something that is losing value and sold something that is gaining value, definitely it will be a loss. All of us know, even a young baby knows that if you buy something that is losing value, you're definitely making a loss. So here I am asking you, if I buy something that is losing value, do I make profits? Or is there any other person that is gaining from it? The answer is no. So when you buy, when you sell, and you make a loss, no one takes your money, no one gains from your loss, no one loses from your win. Reason being that we trade as a factor of value. With that, I will not waste a lot of your time. I would love to stop from here. If you enjoy this content, go to other social media platforms of ours. If you need the mentorship, physical classes, online classes, signals, trading robots, and anything to do with Forex trading, don't hesitate to reach out on the number that I put in the beginning of this video. Have a lovely day. Enjoy.